Welcome to the formula room. Let's look at how to calculate basic business metrics in Excel on a Mac. We have our sales and costs for 3 years ready to go. First, let's find the profit for 2022. We'll type equals, then click on sales minus cost. Hit enter, and there's our first result, 600. We do the same for the next 2 years, subtracting costs from sales to get 2,100 and 3,100. Now, let's find the grand totals. We'll add a total column in cell E1. To add these up quickly, use the sum function. Type equals sum, then highlight your sales range from 2022 to 2024. Repeat that for costs and profit. Excel makes it easy to see the big picture across all 3 years. Finally, let's calculate the profit margin percentage. In cell A5, type profit percent. Then type equals, select your profit, and divide it by sales. It shows as a decimal at first, but just click the percentage icon in the top toolbar to format it. Now, just drag that formula across to see how your margins improved over time, and you're done. Subscribe for more Excel tips.